Welcome to 201 Nob Hill, newest construction finished by Blake Taylor in the Worthington Woods subdivision, which is well established. You can see all the large homes, lots of brick, and very few locations. This may be the last one indeed to be able to put a new construction in this subdivision. It's finished. Let's take a look. You can see the beautiful brick trim work here, the contemporary colors and styling. I love this porch. And let's take a look inside. I like the windows, lots of windows, let lots of that natural light in. We're standing in a very wide foyer entrance that leads to the open great room with a vaulted ceiling, completely open to your kitchen and dining area. Those cabinets under there do open. They're great for storage. You have all granite countertops. This is one of my favorite features here, this buffet. Lots of storage right there for your dining area. And you can see how it connects to your main living area. Drawers below, cabinets above. There's your dishwasher and your farmhouse sink, porcelain, looking out onto the great room, onto that gas stove and sunroom. Right around the corner here is the entrance from the garage, perfect for dropping off your groceries in your huge walk-in pantry. And while we're here, let's take a little look at the mud bench. So as you come in from the garage, you can drop things off, hook up your jacket, and come on in. Now, if you want to use a formal dining room as well as the dining room area right there, look at this, tall ceilings, tall doorways. This can be a formal dining room. You can change out the chandelier if you like, of course, and use this as a den, an exercise room, a playroom, even an additional bedroom if you so need. Look at the beautiful chair railing and the judges' panels. This flooring is just an exquisite, perfect color. It is not LVP. It is an engineered hardwood. All right, now let's see. We're going to go there, but first let's go to the primary bedroom, which is here. I like the separation, just a little bit of an alcove to walk in here. Look how clean and fresh, bright, inviting that tray ceiling is with the coffers. This flooring runs all the way through. Okay, and this is your primary bath. So here is one of your vanities, large framed mirror, plenty of storage. Look at this cabinetry here. And as I turn around, here is the other vanity next to this beautiful garden tub and this shower. The champagne rose colored fixtures. Look at that, that's a shower head you can use, right? And a built-in seating area. So here, take a look there from a little bit of a distance, and your water closet and your walk-in clothes closet. I don't know, you may have to go shopping for clothes. say hello to the neighbors, or maybe put up a blind. But this is really, really a great closet. Okay, I'll walk through the closet, through the bath, check it all out one more time, into the primary bedroom, back out into the main living area. Now let's catch that room up front, which a lot of people might think they can use for an office if they don't use that one, which could be the dining room. But take a look here. This beautiful flooring continues here. Vaulted ceiling, crown molding, faces the front of the house, huge, big windows, double door closet. Oh, and let's not forget, in this alcove, look at what we're looking at here. This, my friends, this is a linen closet. Or a shoe closet. I've seen it used as a shoe closet or a game closet. Listen, whatever you need. And here is your guest bath. Everything has crown molding, granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry with storage. Let me turn around, take a look there again. Back into the hallway we go. This wide foyer entrance into the main living area. Now we're going to cut to the left and check out two more bedrooms with a Jack and Jill, a beautiful Jack and Jill in between them. And note that this flooring continues throughout the house. Tall ceilings into this bathroom, which is set for two. This is the fourth and final bedroom that we're looking at here with the double closets. Back out into the hall, and this is where the laundry is. Built-in cabinetry, hang-ups, a nice storage space there. All right, so here we are back into the kitchen, the main living area. We need to check out what's behind door number 1, which is open to your sunroom. The flooring continues. Look at that. So see, you can keep the doors closed. You could even put some drapes or blinds there if you wanted to. Just separate this out. And here's another room that you can use for an office or exercise or playroom. Peaceful reading room, which goes on to the screened porch. Which goes on to the open patio. So this is where you'll set your grill. The yard goes back. Do you see that corner of that fence there? So all of this is your yard. And all of this, man, I hope I don't fall down walking backwards. All right, 201 Nob Hill.